Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video today about how to move this a half of an inch. And I've got my internet friend sent me a message, my new mentor, and he said the transformation docker is made for this, and it is. Sometimes I forget about it, but I've got this thing rotated to the center. I'm going to rotate it, even though it doesn't show the angle, because it's actually 9.54795. I do have my distance on 5 decimal places, but I'm going to put 9 copies. I'm going to rotate it. And if we double check the measurement, it is dead on the 1 inch. So that is very helpful. And you can also go the other way, Control D and make a duplicate and hold down your control, and it will do the same thing on the other side. So there's your ticks for your half inch if you were making a protractor or something. It doesn't come out equal because of the fact that the circle distance was 37.70 something on the curve, but it does make it in half inch ticks. And so I thank him again for reminding me about the transformation docker. The transformation docker is under Windows, Dockers, transformation, rotation, and that comes up. And even though it doesn't give the angle of rotation precisely, 9.54795, it rounds it up, but it makes it equal. And that didn't supposed to happen there. But anyway, so I thank him for sending me that tip and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for